Hello everyone, I'm DJ Mustang and today we are going to solve a TryHackMe CDF challenge. The challenge name is Boiler and we can see over here that we are connected to TryHackMe VPN and the IP is 10.955.214 and the room IP is 10.10.213 and 69. So we'll quickly start with the nmap. So I'll quickly explain these switches. The SS and SV still scan, then service version A is for OS version detection, and definitely we're going to scan the all 65,535 ports. We have saved output over here. We quickly stop over here and we'll analyze the saved output, which is of all 65,535 ports, and I can see the first port is 21 port is over here, then 80 port is open, then 10,000 port is open, and then 55,007. This port is open. This is a SSH port. I can see this is the HTTP port, and what this one is also HTTP port, and this is the FTP port. So we'll first start with the 21 FTP. So to connect the FTP server, you just have to say FTP and the port IP address of that box. So over here we can see that anonymous login is enabled. So we'll quickly write this anonymous you know uh, username over here, and we are successfully logged into this. So if we say ls, then there is no file. Now we'll go with the hidden files, and I can able to see one hidden file over here. So we'll quickly read this file on this FTP server. To read the file on the FTP server, you just have to say more and the file name. And now I can able to see something in different language, which I'm not able to understand this language. So we'll quickly ask Google what is this, and Google will come back with the okay. I can see the walkthrough of the boiler CDF, but we'll be going to open this one link, top secret message decoder. What is this decoder? um, we'll quickly paste this over here, and yeah, it's decoded. Just wanted to see if you find it. Lol. Remember, enumeration is a key. Yeah, definitely enumeration is a key. So we'll quickly go over here again to the nmap result. So this is basically the rabbit hole. We'll quickly end this thing over here, exit, and we are out of this. Now we'll see the nmap. Second one thing is the 80 port. So we'll quickly check what services are running HTTP and the port name of IP address, and it is running on the port 80. So it just Apache server you know 2.4.18, and what I can see over here is nothing. So okay, I can see something. Well, some disallowed entries are there. We'll quickly go over here and we'll see what is this robots.txt, and I can see some entries. First is stamp, and some ASCII code is over here. We'll first decode this, try to decode this thing. We'll go to the Google, we'll directly paste it over here. It will directly redirect to the Google, and ASCII code converter. Okay, we got the link, and yes, decrypt ASCII code, and we'll get the result over here. Okay, we got the result. Something is this. We have no idea what is this, so we'll again go to the Google and we'll ask what is this. Hash analyzer, maybe. Great. Then now what hash analyzer is saying, we'll quickly check, analyze this thing, and salt not found, hash type unknown, but I can see over here this character type is space 64. So we'll quickly base 64 decoder, and we got decode. Okay, decoder or decode, anything. We'll go over here and we'll paste this thing and we'll try to decode. Now what we got? Okay, we got now the hash. We'll quickly go over here and then again we'll search for the same kind of method, and this time we got this thing is like MD5. So okay, so we'll go to the crack station, and we'll quickly paste it over here, and I'm not robot, yes, crack hash, and we got kidding. So that means it was a rabbit hole. So we'll check for the TMP. Okay, so basically it's a rabbit hole. No need to, you know, uh, spend time over here. So we'll quickly go to the um, this one. Nmap result 10,000 port is there. We'll go again and we'll search for the 10,000 ports, and we'll see what kind of. Okay, so error document follows this web server SSL running in SSL mode. If we click over here, then it is showing nothing. So we'll again go to the nmap result, and now 55007, this is a basically SSH port. So now we'll try to enumerate the directories with a derby. So for that you just have to say derby and the uh, IP address or the link of the web server. We know the web server is hosted at this 10.10.213.69 IP. So we'll just say this one, and okay, something wrong. Okay, I wrote HTTP 2 times, so just like that. So it will take some time. We have a saved output. We'll quickly clear this thing from here, and yes, we have a saved output of derby, and I can see. Okay, first this is index.html by default page. Then second one is Joomla. I will quickly copy this thing. What is this? So we'll quickly close everything, and we'll see what is this. Joomla. I can see some login. We'll go with the admin. Don't save. Yeah, it's not working. So admin. Okay, admin, yes, and password maybe. No. Okay. So we'll check for the another directories. Okay, inside the Joomla there are several directories are there. You can see archive. We'll quickly copy this thing. We'll check. No, it is in some different language than second one, and no files. No test. Okay, I can able to see something, and this is something SAR2 HTML. We'll quickly copy this thing and we'll see what kind of thing is this HTML. And if I search this thing, I can able to see one remote code execution over here on the Google. We'll quickly see what kind of remote code execution is this. Okay, exploit is available 3.2.1, and we have no idea what kind of what is the version detail of this thing. So we'll see whether it will work or not. What they're saying over here, remote code execution, and in the web application you will see index.php.plot URL extension, and then you have to put the command over here. We'll execute the command, and after command ejection press select and host. Okay, and your command's output will appear on the bottom of the screen. So I can see the okay, we'll quickly new. I can able to see the same thing over here. You just have to type semicolon and the command. So once you hit enter, as they're saying, the command press after the command injection, press select and host. So the host I can able to see this one, and I can able to see the output of this ID. So this is the UID 33 www data. So this is the output of id command. So we'll quickly say ls minus la hyphen la, so %20, because space will not be count over here, it will give you error, so that's the reason %20. And ls hyphen la, and I can able to see some files are here. Index.php, yes, index.php is here, and then log.txt and html html and sar.file is there. So we'll quickly, this file is looking interesting, we'll quickly check this file log.txt. For that we will going to execute the cat command, and %20, where is percent, okay, %20, and log.txt file, and hit enter, and then we'll um, uh, select this thing, and I can able to see some entries over here. Server listing 00 port 22, that means SSH, and accept password bastard. Okay, so this is a username bastard from 1011 port 49 something port is there, SSH, and some password. Okay, password is also written over here, that is a super duper at $. So we'll we'll quickly super duper at $. Where is the dollar? Bastard. So we'll quickly copy this thing, and we know that SSH is running on this 55007 port. So for the SSH, we'll use this SSH option and a bastard and the IP address, and the change over here is just you just have to mention the port, that is a 55007, because if you don't mention this port, it will directly hit the by default port, that is 22, and it will give you error. So for the to avoid this thing, you have to mention the error, and yes, we know the password, that is a super duper s, and paste it. Now something wrong. Okay, now we have to understand where is the super duper as. Okay, we'll again go over here and we'll check superduper. Okay, pass, it's not as. So duper pass, now it will take it. Okay, great. So just checking who am I is a bastard, and again we'll see what files are inside this directory, and that is a backup.sh. So we'll quickly backup.sh, and I can see one more user and a password over here, that is a stoner. So we'll quickly copy paste this thing, node this thing, and the stoner. So we already have SSH shell, so you just have to switch the user, not a big thing, and we know the password. Copy and paste. Oh, sorry. Okay, now we are a bastard, and now we just have to go out of this directory home. Now we'll see how many users are there. Okay, there are only two users, bastard and stoner, so we have both the users. Now we have to escalate the privileges to the root, that's for sure. Sorry, cd dot. Now we'll go with a quick win sudo l um, okay, what they're saying, root no password for not this time. I'm messing with, yeah. So okay, so we don't have this directly, so basically they are trying to say that we're not going to give you any hint this time. So now we'll go to the temp directory and we'll try to, you know, wget thing, uh, http. We know what is a pass, our machine IP is 10.955.241. That is a 10.955.241 and 1 and 7777. We have what as such, we have the Python server over here, and okay, so I can able to see that wget command is not available, not found on the server. So what we're going to do, we'll search one by one. First we'll search for the SUID bit. Search SUID bit. Okay, so now I can see something. Okay, what they're saying, what they're saying, what they're saying. Okay, permission and permissions. Okay, I can search like this. So we'll say, sorry, it's just find permission 4000. We'll say the root path, and now I can able to see the SUID bit. So first one is SU, then F user, mount, unmount, mount, ping, ping, then something, and okay. So we'll quickly, uh, you know, uh, uh, take a help of uh, GTF for bins. So bins. Okay, and I can able to see the find SUID bit is script is available. So and what they're saying over here, you just have to, you know, copy this thing and call this file find. So as you can see over here, find is already inside the bin, so we can call it from anywhere. You just have to type this script or paste the script and just say enter. So now who am I? It's a root. So we have successfully compromised this box from the web application to the remote code execution. From the remote code execution, we have escalated privileges from bastard to stoner and then stoner to root. So thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.